Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ablative. 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 Ablative is a grammatical term used in linguistics to describe a case that typically indicates removal, separation, or source. It is often used in the context of nouns, pronouns, or adjectives to show the relationship between words in a sentence, particularly in languages with grammatical cases. Examples: 1. In Latin, the ablative case is used to indicate the means by which an action is performed. Here, ablative case is mentioned to describe its function in indicating the means or method of performing an action in the Latin language. 2. The ablative form of the word house in this language shows that something is coming from or related to a house. In this sentence, ablative form is used to explain how the form of a word indicates a relationship with a house, such as something coming from it. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.